So today I want to show you a DRK Maker Team video using these Trim It glitter snowflake felt sheets. So I showed these recently on a haul that I did, and they're really nice. I really like them. So you got the silver on one side and then like a grey on the other, so single-sided, but they're really cool. So I want to show you today how to make a Christmas decoration with them, and we're going to be making this very cute bauble. Now I'm sure some of you, especially those of you who've been around a bit, will have made similar things to this with card, and you can do that as well, but I just really like the feel of the felt, and it just, you know, it's just quite nice, the all over glitter, really cute. So yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make this, so let's get into it. Okay, so for this project you're going to need, well, I'm going to go for 2 different colours. You could do all the same colour if you want to, and you need, if you're doing 2 colours, you're going to need 5 of each colour, so 10 in total. So I've got the